Okay, hey everyone. I'm back. It's been a hot minute. Um, so actually, no, it hasn't. I keep saying it's been a hot minute because I keep feeling like I'm not doing this often enough, but it's definitely not been a hot minute. Um, because uh, yeah, I've been streaming. I guess it's more, I haven't streamed about Spark since probably Friday. I don't actually remember. Um, and so that's why it feels like it's been a hot minute. So, let's talk about it. So today the plan is to look at Spark Testing Base and Spark Upgrade. These are two packages that I care a lot about. Spark Testing Base is something that I've been maintaining for, I think, over a decade now. I could be wrong. We actually, maybe we'll go and take a look when the first commit was, and we can see how long I've been maintaining it for. Anyways, and I'm super excited because we got a PR, and it looks really good. I like it. I like it. I left some comments on it, and we did that in a previous stream. And the PR author has responded to the comments and updated the code, so I love it. Very excited about that. Okay. Then, so we're gonna go back and take a look at the updated code and the response to my comments, and then we're also gonna take a look at the Spark Upgrade project, and that's a more recent project that I've been working on, and that is to automate Spark upgrades using, pardon me, AST type transformations, and also validating that those upgrades are, correct. So that's great. Let's go ahead and start getting into it. So, we're also going to put on some music. Alexa, turn on Holden's speakers. Yeah. Okay. Nope. This took me to not TechnoAxe, which is not what I wanted. I wanted more TechnoAxe. There we go. So we got some 8-bit tunes sort of going here. Reminds me of college days. You can see here, reading about flying. Missed that part of my life. Used to fly a lot. Now, not as much. For a variety of reasons. But such is life. Such is life. So, first things first, let's go ahead and figure out when the first commit was to this project. Actually, you know what? That's probably going to be easier in the command line. Okay, 2015. Not that, not quite a decade, but actually getting pretty damn close. 9 years. Holy shit. I've been maintaining this library for 9 years. Huh. That's kind of cool. Okay, let's go over to pull requests. So, here we go. We're going to go to the files change view because that's the view that I like. Fantastic. Yeah, like it. Like it. Yeah. Oh, okay. Be right back. Assuming for like customs reasons, I don't know. Huh. Okay, I'm back. Let's switch to our terminal view again. Fantastic. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. So, well, it's not a breaking API change in that the code will still compile. It is sort of a breaking semantic change. E.g., if you had been using tall for timestamp comparison, your test will now fail. Will now fail. That being said, it's probably okay for a minor version change. Called out in the release notes. But let's go into start review. I'm actually really curious, and we're gonna go take a look at this. This is data frame spook base. Let's go take a look. Yeah. Doot. Okay. Yeah. Join me for poking at Spark testing base and Spark upgrade. I'm gonna do a quick little tweet here while we're waiting. And by waiting, I mean while I remember that we're not waiting. Cool. There we go. Fantastic. Okay, cool. So, we don't need the liveness probe. Let's switch to, okay. So a prox equals called with tall Where did we use it? We used it for floats. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. So what I'm writing here, oh, actually, let me scroll down so you can see what I'm writing. Um, so what we're writing here is essentially like, hey, we should say this is numeric rather than decimal, since we use the same tolerance value for float and float and double as well. Right, because this comment says max acceptable decimal tolerance. Yeah. Uh, for the description of the all parameter, okay, cool. Like this, like this. Then there was another place. Yeah, I love it. Love it. Cool. Actually, I love it so much that an hour ago, before I went for my walk, I already wrote, awesome, I love it. That's great. That's great. Good improvement here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Theme note regarding naming, regarding the description of the call parameter. Wait, data suite, data set suite base. Okay, yeah. Fantastic, fantastic. Love it, love it. Okay, yeah. No, I think I'm very excited about this PR. Love it. Love it. Great work. Great work. Minor point around the description of the call parameter. And then I think we are good to go. Oh, I guess the other thing I wanted to double check is what version this Spark testing version. What's the version? 147. Okay. So going to 1.5 is probably fine. Okay. Love it. So this is great. Super excited for this PR. A proven run. Cool. Okay. So that's great. So then the next thing that we need to look at, or the next thing that I'm planning to look at today, is the Spark upgrade repo. And the thing that I'm annoyed with is the tests are failing. Not great. And this comes from probably a few different things. One is ooh, damn, the Sweetbot definitely makes a lot of PR branches. No, I feel good. Whatever. So first things first, we're gonna try and fix our actions. Run actions on PR. Branches. Although really, You would think it, so okay. So the reason why I'm thinking that it's not is if we go over here, we go to pull requests, let's go look at closed. Oh no, actually it is. Huh. So these are running pull and then okay. So this is probably just that this person didn't confused, but okay. Okay. Let's go back and instead we are going to fix the broken tests. Let's do that. Pull requests, git checkout main, git pull origin main, git checkout dash b, fix test. So what is failing? Build and test. SQL module. Okay, let's go take a look at this. Mini snack. 1 second. So first things first, with an error that shows up in CI, let's reproduce it locally. Let's go take a look at how this is run. Wait, is this the... Okay, SQL. Okay. Let's do that. Oh, no, okay, well, whatever. Another carrot. Ooh, I was hoping I'd have more time for my carrot snack. It's all right, we'll take a carrot snack break anyways. Okay, so my guess is this failure might be related to this loop limit on fixes reached. So let's go take a look at that. SQL flop. Okay. Here we go. How did they do this? Oof. Okay. So I have limited idea as to how SQL fix works. So this is going to be fun for values of fun, which are definitely not fun. So I guess my other thing is, let's go back and take a look at what changed between when the test was working and when the test stopped working. Here we go. Ah, it was pinning SQL fluff. That means actually probably that this is pinned to a bad version. Oh no. This failure is unrelated, most likely. But we don't know because they just committed it on top of a failure. Um, Fixed deprecation warnings. Okay. This is pretty big. I'm guessing maybe this is the one which introduces the initial failure. Who knows? Let's go take a look at this. Maybe not, though. Yep, this is the version that introduces the failure. Okay, probably. We don't know for sure. It could be pinning the SQL version. Probably not. It's probably this. Okay, let's try and figure out what's going on here. Uh, hmm. 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 Right. I don't know which of their two. Well, huh. So how did this get fixed? I guess. So the first thing that they did is they logged which rule it is that's applying. And so we keep seeing found approx func. So that's interesting. Um, linter logger. Well, okay. Let's start with the rules. Eval cast L001. Eval L004. Right, let's go. Format string index. Sure. And okay. Eval no chars. And then eval reserve properties. Properties. Huh. The fact these both have the number L004, I'm really hoping isn't relevant. Eval Spark SQL L004. Eh. Spark SQL L005. All right, let's run our tests. Oh, no, we don't need to cd into SQL or do the pip install -e. We just need to run PyTest. We'll do that next. Interesting, it's just L005 looping. I was expecting co-recursion. It looks like it's just this rule. Let's go take a look and see what changed. Let's go see if anything changed with L005 rule. I mean, I might. Yeah. Rules. Go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so what changed here? Is fix compatible was set to true, and in the past it was not. God damn it. Let's go figure out what is fix compatible does. Is fix compatible? Ah, okay. So that just means, okay, base rule equal flop is fix compatible. Is fix and okay. Well, okay. Let's see. Let's print out the context. See. What's going on? So. Okay. Just saying that we found a prox percentile. So okay, let's go take a look. What do we return? That returns none. Okay. Replacing expression child with edits. Okay. Replacing. So this is the thing. This the check for cast is interesting. So here we go. So we found an approx percentile. So then we go and expression segment. For a segment in bracketed segments.children, iterate segments SP type is expression. What? Fuck. No. No. Okay. I'm thinking I'm starting to see why this is not working. But that's okay. Okay. Segment. Segment. Yeah, segment, expression segment. Segment. Hmm. Yeah. So, okay. Here we go. So, or expression type is keyword. Well, okay. First child is equal to yeah. Spell. Okay. So, okay. So, yeah. Here's the deal. So, I don't know where this magic comes from. Let's find out where this rule was introduced. Go see if there's like a code review for it. This is okay. Okay, get lame SQL. Oh, src rule. Okay. Let's go see. Oh, damn, this is a big commit. Okay, add percent approx rule. Okay. Add percent approx rule, which looks like this is the pull request. Bobby raised it and merged it without comment. Okay, that happens. So, here we go. So, if first child let's print out the type. First child 0 dot type. Make sure that this is what I think it is. Segment. Yeah, keyword. Okay. So what are we gonna do here? Try and find the yeah, find, well, yeah, okay. Find the middle of the approx percentile. Okay, so this is the third segment anyways. So we don't need to do the check here. Yeah, if expression dot child 0 dot type elif, okay, and then your type is keyword. Okay, and then we're gonna make a note. Cast can either be a keyword or a function, depending on if we're iterating on parsed or updated code. So there we go. Here, let's go take a look at keyword segments in SQL Fluff. Huh. Okay. So then we'll go ahead. If dot what are we going to return? Cast. This is going to work. Expressions. Wait, where did it fail? Oh. Can't spell for shit. Expression underscore child. There we go. Okay. Fantastic. So we can get rid of the print statements that we added. I I guess we can leave this in there. All right, cool. Oh yeah, replacing. Oh yeah, and then don't need this. Cool. Get branch, get init.jam, fix L0 fix will L005 cast on procs funcs to not recurse forever. Okay, cool. Actually, let's give this a better wrench name. Get checkout-b fix L005 recursion. And then what we'll do is we'll have Bobby review it because he's the one that wrote the code that we just changed. And that way, you know, if I screwed the pooch on this one, Bobby can let me know. So reviewers, good friend, Bobby, rule L, the props func, cast rule was recursing ever. Now that it's being enabled, now that's been enabled. Now that's been enabled. This checks now for both the updated, for both the original SQL fluff token and the inserted token. And the inserted token, since the type doesn't match, so L5 would just keep trying to add more casts. More casts. That's the thing. CC at Morik, who wrote the code, to double check I didn't break anything. Change tests, existing tests now pass on the team, and hopefully CI, but give it a minute. Cool. And we go ahead, raise a PR. Fantastic. Okay. So that does it for work for the day. That's been great. It's been real nice having y'all come join me. Oh no, it fails. What fails? Probably style. Expression, line 467. Okay. Let's run PyTest again. Eeks, get rebase, head, %2, minus I, squash. Okay, get push, force with release. Go back. Oh, okay. I'm gonna actually ping Bobby as well. Just so that he knows to take a look. Um, huh. Cool. Uh, okay. Oh right, yeah, I was gonna ping Bobby. Toot toot. Um, and let's ping not urgent. If you could look at the PR to fix rule 5, so CI can be green. Fantastic. Okay, that's great. So, this is fantastic. CI is running. Well, let's reload the page, see if. Okay, cool. So SQL tests pass. Now it's going to do the Scala tests, but those shouldn't be impacted by our change. So, that's all. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, I'm going to go ahead and do another stream, probably in like 5 minutes. I'll be back in 5 minutes. And that one will be on the health insurance project, so personal stuff. So thanks for joining me as always. See you around.